Welcome to the fall Halloween vlog. Stay tuned because why the fuck not? But yeah, it's gonna be a good one, so just stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want. I want that shit burnt. Boom. Let's make coffee. So let's see what cup I want. Love is just human. No, love is human. I'm such a white woman. Boom. And I need this in here. Alright. Coffee is brewing. The coffee is grooving. Oh, so crisp. Oh! My friends, if it ain't burnt, it ain't right. Boom. My coffee's done. Because who the fuck doesn't want aesthetic fall vibes, you know what I mean, bro? You know what I mean? If this doesn't scream fall, I don't know what does. I got my waffle, I got my coffee. We're vibing. No, cuz look at that, bruh. That is so aesthetic. You can see the steam coming up, yo. Mukbanging, and I'm gonna tell a scary story. Since Halloween is coming up this month, because it is October like 8th something, I want to tell a scary story, but it's by Anonymous, and I heard this story like a week ago. But anyway, oh shit is good. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. It's delish. I think the butter I used for this waffle was like honey butter cinnamon. So freaking good, bruh. I look like ass today, but you know what? I don't care. But on to the scary story. So, there was this girl living in an apartment by herself. It was like October something, so spooky vibes, I guess. But she just got this apartment. She just got out of college. She was working as a nurse. And one day she came home from her 12-hour shift just to relax at her apartment, and she goes to sit on her couch and puts on this Netflix show. I don't even know what show it was. Hopefully it wasn't scary, because oh, the shit that she had to go through that night was crazy. Plus, she's a nurse. That's crazy-er. Anyway. Sorry, I have to eat. Your boy has to eat. So anyway, she's sitting on the couch watching Netflix, and all of a sudden, she hears her sink turn on. Her sink fucking turns on. Out of nowhere. So she's like, hello?
Hello? Hello?
Anybody there? And she thinks she's getting pranked at this point because she did have a boyfriend at the time, and a couple of her friends had her key, so she's like, oh, my friends are just playing pranks on me, it's whatever. Nobody was in that fucking house. Nobody was in that apartment but her. So she goes and checks the sink and was like, haha, funny, but no one was in there. So she turns it off and kind of forgets about it because she's like, oh, whatever. She had a long night. She must have left it on. she gets delirious after 12-hour shifts, you know? So she goes to continue watching her show on Netflix or movie, whatever. And 30 minutes go by. She hears nothing, but all of a sudden, she hears this loud bang in her room. And at this point, she's like, uh-oh, that's not good. So what she does is she goes to her door, her front door, and she tries to like open it because she wants to get the fuck out of there. She wants to go. She runs to that door, but she can't open it. Like someone was like holding like the knob so you couldn't like open the door when it was locked. So she was like trapped, and she had a window in her room, but she didn't want to go in there to like try to open it and like get out because one, she's on the 10th story. You would literally fall and die. And so anyway, she goes hides in her bathroom, and the noises just kept going and going and going. And she ends up calling the police, obviously, and the police comes. There was no one there. They checked the cameras in the hallway. No one was there. Fucking crazy, but it doesn't end there, yo. It doesn't end there. So she ended up talking to her landlord about this because she was like besties with her landlord, manager, I don't know, but her landlord told her around this time every year in October, she has someone move out of the apartment because it's not right, or it's like it's not for them anymore. That's kind of weird. That's a little weird. But anyway, after that day, after October, she didn't hear anything. And yeah, that was the story. Y'all, I just want you to know, I pulled that story out of my ass. Drop a comment, drop a like if it was believable, cause so as you can see, the trees are kind of changing. It definitely feels like fall, and I feel like after today, it's when the leaves are going to like dramatically change, cause tell me why I have a hoodie on right now. Y'all, what should I be for Halloween? Drop it in the comments. Give me some good ones. Right now. Y'all know those horror film vlog movies? There's a lot of them on Tubi, but I'm gonna do that right now. I think it'll be so fun. I'm gonna be directing, yo. Oh, this essay is freaking killing me right now. And it's due tonight. What the frick, bro? Text me. What? Go to basement? Is this a joke? Oh shit. No. This actually isn't a joke. Go to the basement. Oh god, what am I doing? Please be a joke. Please be a joke. Okay. Oh my gosh. Anyone down there? Hello? Hello? This isn't funny. Oh my god. I just tried calling the police. Someone cut the service line. The service is not working. What am I gonna do? I live in the middle of nowhere. Should I make a run for it? Should I run into the woods? Should I run into the woods? It's about to get dark anyway. I can't go out there. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Where should I hide? Oh my god. I guess I could hide in the shower. Let's do that. This is ridiculous.